All right, here's a great viewer question. Do LG smart TVs have a built-in TV antenna signal strength meter for over-the-air TV channels? At first, I thought the answer was no, but it turns out they do. It's just kind of buried deeper in the menu. A signal strength meter is very important when you are aiming your TV antenna. It's a great way to make sure you're getting the highest signal level possible. Most TVs have some version of a signal strength meter, though some are much better than others. Here on the LG Smart TV, you're going to make sure you're tuned to one of your over-the-air channels, and then press the gear button on the remote control, and down the right side of the screen, you'll scroll down to all settings, press OK, and then in your main menu here, scroll to channels, press OK again, and then select channel tuning. Now in the channel tuning menu, there are two options. There's auto tuning, which you can use to scan in all available channels that your antenna is picking up. The manual tuning option is what we're going to use today. Press OK. And then you're going to select antenna DTV. All the other options really don't apply because all over-the-air antenna channels are digital now. So once again, press OK on the remote. And when you're tuned to a channel that is broadcasting, you will get the signal strength and the signal quality for that channel. And you can use the channel up-down buttons to scroll through all the channels, and this list has all the channels on it, even the ones that are not broadcasting. Those ones will obviously say no signal, 0% strength. But let's say that your auto scan missed a channel. This is also how you can manually add in a channel that may have been missed or is a channel that has newly come to the airwaves in your area. You can add that into your list here as well. But as you go to each individual channel, it'll give you the signal strength and quality for that particular station. And this could be really handy if, say, you have a particular channel that you're having trouble with, or maybe one that you really watch a lot, but it's not coming in too great. You can use that signal meter to really just tweak your antenna and get the best possible signal strength on that channel. So yeah, that's how you find the TV antenna signal strength meter on LG Smart TVs. Main menu, channels, manual tuning, and the signal strength meter is there for each channel.